Hi, and we're back, and we're going to try the second part of our invasive species problem, which again, we had the kudzu and taking over Mississippi. If the compounding was just weekly, with a weekly growth rate of 0.53 or 53%, we set up the equation that you can go back and see in the previous video. However, what if it was compounding daily? If it was compounding daily, we're going to take this basic equation that we set up. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up for you in case it's useful for you to see it all at once. So what we've got is we've got y equals 25 square meters as our initial value, our principal in a way, times 1 plus our rate over our number of compounding events, all raised to the number of compounding events times x, or time. Now, our rate continues to be 0.53. Okay, and that rate is added to the 1 because that's a growth rate on top of 100% of what you start with. Then we are compounding daily on a weekly rate, and there are 7 days in a week, so the number of compounding events has to be 7. So we divide that by 7, and then we go up here and we change number 7 because we split the 0.53 in 7 pieces, and then in every week, that's done 7 times because it's done each day. We take a seventh of the 0.53 and we apply it each day, 7 days in a week. So there's our basic equation. And now we need to plop in our target area of 125,430,000,000 square meters. And now we have our equation. We can just take these equations and we can plop them into Desmos. I'm going to go over to Desmos and do that. Now we've already got our y equals 125,430,000,000 equation. We just need to fix, when I copy pasted this, it messed it up. So we fix that and make it 7x in the exponent position. Get rid of this extraneous extra stuff. And I'd already rearranged the y and x arrangement, scaling of this. So we have our function intersecting with our target value there's our target value, 125,430,000,000, and it's intersecting at 43.72 weeks. So there's our answer. It'll take 43.72 weeks if it's compounding daily. So here's our answer. Okay, it will take about 40, double check that, 43.72, 43.7, around that to 43.7 weeks for the kudzu to take over an area as big as Mississippi if the compounding is daily. And the rate is, of course, weekly. Okay, I'm going to pause this one, and then I will pick up part C.